Okay, send it to you.
Yes, I did receive it. You said though you turned this in and it's all done.
I was just being sarcastic.
It looks like you haven't done anything on this. What have you been doing in class? Are they giving you time to work on this?
For me, what I was doing in class is I was just talking with my, I was just socializing with my friends, and then that's why I did not have time to do it.
Okay, when is this due? When do you have to turn it in?
It's not a due date. It's not, we just have to, it's a review packet.
Okay, well, we're gonna start with this problem here on the screen. I think it's on like page 3 or 4.
Yeah, how do Matthew?
Sarge, I'm not gonna answer your questions because you don't tell me the truth. So I'm not going to answer your questions. When you are ready to tell the truth, we can have a discussion. But until then, we're just gonna work on these problems, okay?
Okay.
Every day you lie to me.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna work on this question here. It's probably the most straightforward one. I'm gonna label 2 places on the graph. I'm gonna label this point right there and this point right there. We're gonna call it A and B. Can you give me the coordinates of A and the coordinates of B?
3, 0, B, 7, 0.
B is correct, but A is not.
Says 6 right there.
Yes, B is correct, but A is not. So give me the ordered pairs for A one more time.
0, 3.
Yes, 0, 3. All right. So we want to find the slope between these 2 points. So the slope formula is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Will you determine the slope here for me, please? You've got 2 ordered
And
pairs,
slope,
x1, y1,
yes, and the
x2,
slope
y2.
right there. 3, 0.
I want you to give me the slope, the final answer. We did a bunch of these in July. You should be able to substitute in these values.
Three, 7. 3 over 7. Got it. it's 3/7. Matthew. Hello?
You have an answer for me, Sourish.
Yes, 3/7.
That is not correct. So as a reminder here, this is x1 and y1, x2 and y2. You have to put them into the equation, subtract.
-3/7. How's
That is
that?
correct. That is correct. 0 minus 3, 7 minus 0, so the slope is -3/7. Good. Okay, so the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, which you have. Do you remember what b stands for?
B.
Yes. What is b in this
The
equation? You
B
remember that?
is
The y-intercept. Okay.
the y-intercept.
Where's
I
the
thought we were gonna say
y-intercept?
it into a B way.
What is the y-intercept on this graph here?
The y-intercept.
Yep.
The y-intercept right here is right there. There's a dot, so it's 0, 3.
So what's the value of the y-intercept?
The value of the y-intercept is 3.
3. Good. So the equation is y equals -3/7x plus 3. So I would recommend you get this down.
Okay. Okay.
You get all that down.
Okay. There we go.
All right, so let's look at another question here. Let's look at number 4. I'm sorry, there's a part B to the 3A. So here we'll do part B. Okay, it says, actually, why don't you read this for us? Could you read that out loud for us, please?
Read it out loud.
Yep.
Okay, write the
Maybe.
equation of the line in point slope form that passes through the points f2 equals 4 and f4 equals 10.
Okay, so the first ordered pair is 2, 4. You can see where those values come from. First number is x, the second number is y. What is the
Okay.
second ordered pair?
Second order pair.
Yeah.
Okay. The second order pair is 4 and 10.
I'd like you to find the slope between these 2 points, please.
The final answer is -3.
Okay, that is not correct. You've got x1, y1, x2, and y2.
Okay.
Give that one more try. You're close. I mean, you're not like way off, but you're
Well, how close was I?
you can't just, I'm letting you know, like, it's not, you're not as far off. I mean, if it were multiple choice, that would be one of the answers, but it's not the correct answer.
Okay.
It's like when you're parking in a parking lot and you're in the parking lot, but you're not really in between the lines.
Yeah, and tomorrow's my birthday, so yeah.
Cool. Hopefully you get to do something fun.
Yeah, well, I'll be turning 17. Okay. It's +3. The final answer is +3.
That is correct. All right, so now so this one asks for point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, like that. And so your slope is given, and we're going to use these first two ordered pairs for x1 and y1. All right, so it's y minus 4 equals 3x minus 2, and that is your final answer. So go ahead and get that down for this problem, please.
Okay.
You got all this down?
Yeah. So y minus 4 equals 3 and x minus 2.
Yes, but you need to show all the work. Like, you can't just write the answer down. That's not going to work.
Yeah.
Hopefully, and I can't see what you've written down, but you want to get all this down. Did you get all this down?
Oh, I'll just be able to get it. Hold on. I need a little bit writing this down. Let me hold on.
Okay.
I'm almost there, Matthew. Is this like SAT, Matthew?
No, this is just your review.
But this is like, this is gonna be in the SAT?
No, no.
Okay. Okay, I got it down.
Okay, let's take a look at the next question here. Number 4. It says, given the equation of the line y equals 3x minus 4, write the equations of the following lines, okay? So normally we would do the parallel line first, but this one has you doing the perpendicular. We actually should probably do the parallel one first. So let me snip that in. So we're actually do part 2 first. What do you remember about parallel lines?
Parallel lines. Well, I know parallel lines. They're the lines that look a lot like. They're the lines that look they're the lines that are like little they're like a hamburger lines.
They have the same slope. All right.
Yeah.
So when you look at this equation up here, what is the slope?
What is the slope?
What is the slope?
The slope for that. The slope is going to be 3.
Good. Okay. So the line that's parallel to this one has a slope of 3 and goes through the point 1, 3. All right. So let's use the equation of a line. Y equals mx plus b. What is the value of m?
The value of m. Okay. The value of m. The value of m is gonna be the value of m is 3.
3. So we're gonna write the equation y equals 3x plus b. Okay, and then to find b, we're going to use this x and this y. 3 equals 3 times 1 plus b. Okay, so could you solve this for b, please?
Yeah. 4. Y equals 4,
What is 3 times 1?
3.
Okay, so you have 3 equals 3 plus b. How do you isolate b? How do you undo this?
Subtract.
Okay, so I'm not sure how you
Yeah,
get 4, but
well, I was thinking it's 4 because I was thinking that you're thinking that I'm that 3's you're thinking that I'm not gonna get the answer right because I'm thinking like 3 is gonna be wrong and like that.
what is the value of b?
The value of B, the value of B, that's gonna be 0.
All right. So that goes back in here. So it's y equals 3x. You don't put the 0 in.
Yep.
So go ahead and get this down for part 2.
Okay. Okay. All
You
right.
got it all down?
Yeah.
All right, so part 1 is perpendicular. So the slope of the original line is 3. The slope perpendicular. So this little symbol there means perpendicular. Is the flip of the slope, and then you negate it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the next thing it says is it has to have the same y-intercept. So what is the b value of this equation?
Okay. It's negative.
The y-intercept is a number.
Yeah.
It's not a
4.
not a
Negative
sign.
4.
It is -4. So we need the equation with a slope of -1/3 and a b value of -4.
Okay.
So here is the equation of a line. Go ahead and substitute in the m and the b value, please. You have an answer for me, Sourish?
Um. I think it's gonna be -1, I would say.
I think you just have to put the numbers in the equation, and I don't know why you're not doing that.
Yeah, I put the numbers in the equation and then I don't even know what the x is.
The equation has an X and a Y in it, so go ahead and copy this down for,
Wait, that's the answer? I thought it's supposed to be only one number.
it's asking for the equation of the line.
Equation of a line.
So go ahead and get this down, please, and we'll close out for today.
Okay, there we go.
All right, if you could let your dad know we're all done for today.
My dad's not here. He's at